Meaning of demolish.
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 Demolish. The term demolish refers to the act of intentionally destroying or completely tearing down a building, structure, or object. It typically involves using heavy machinery, explosives, or other tools to dismantle the item until nothing is left standing. The result of demolishing a structure is a pile of rubble and debris where the building once stood. Demolition can be done for various reasons, including safety concerns, the need for renovation, or as part of a redevelopment project. It is often a carefully planned process to ensure the safety of workers and bystanders.